get you live to the Senate floor at this hour. Yeah, the debate is still going on the major GOP tax bill. It passed the House earlier today, but there were 3 provisions that violate Senate rules, and lawmakers are working through that tonight, and the House will take another vote tomorrow.
And while changes are still being made right at this hour, we, of course, want to know what it's going to mean for all of us. Denver 7's Liz Gelardi went to get some answers.
Well, I talked with a local accountant, and he is getting so many phone calls wondering what all of this means. He estimates the average family of 4 bringing home $75,000 would save about $2,000 in taxes next year. Hey, that's not bad, but the CPA, John Moore, says there's a lot more to consider.
If you're General Motors, this is the greatest thing since sliced bread. If you're not General Motors, you're going to take on a lot more debt than you're actually going to save in taxes.
And basically, he's talking about the national debt. This bill is estimated to add $1.5 trillion to that figure. So is there anything Coloradans should be doing now? John's advice is to shift your deductions into 2017 to lower your income and then move that income into 2018 when rates are lower. Doing that could save you money. For example, giving to charity or deferring income if you can. Now, that family of 4 we mentioned, the standard deduction is doubled for that couple, $24,000 or $12,000 for singles, but the cuts are temporary and will only last a few years.
All the individual tax cuts here phase out. They go away, whereas the corporate ones are permanent. They last forever until Congress changes the law.
And lastly, we know a lot of Coloradans are self-employed, and we have a lot of small businesses here. John says when it comes to that, it's pretty complicated. It really depends on how much you make and what size business you are. And CPAs are still trying to figure out what's in this bill, the ins and outs, and they're wading through it.
And we're all going to be depending on them. Liz, thanks very much.